Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can attach crochet doilies to your dreamcatcher's ring. So this is the doily that I have made. If you want a tutorial on how to make this, please let me know in the comment section. And you will need a crochet doily, metal ring or wooden ring. Approximately your doily should be big enough that the edges can touch the ring, or if the ring is 6 inches, you can make a crochet doily of 4.5 to 5 inches, so it can stretch a little and the design will open up. So you need a metal ring and some thread so to attach the doily. So first what we'll do is we'll cover this metal ring with this thread, and how to do that I'll show you. You can just tie a knot at first to the ring, double triple knot, so it is secure enough and you know that it will not open up. I like to put 2 knots, and then what you will do is you will wrap the thread around in this manner. So you will cover the ring. It should be tight enough so that the metal part cannot be seen. This procedure takes a little bit of time, so I have already completed one ring and set it aside. So this is my ring ready to attach the doily. So now we will keep the doily in the center in this manner. What you have to do is you have to insert the threads in these parts and attach it to the ring. So I'll just show you quickly how. So you take thread approximately length of your palm, it goes. So you can put 2 to 3 knots as secure as you want. It's quite nicely. I like to put 3 knots. So that's there. How I like to do is I like to secure the opposite sides first. I'll secure this side, then we can easily locate where to secure these parts.